All right, folks, this week we're looking at 421 Harmony Street. We're in a great Irish Channel location, just a couple blocks from Magazine Street. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house, just over 2,300 square feet, offered at $569,000. This is just a gorgeous entry into the home. Look at those super high ceilings. This is your living room. I like the way that they worked the brick in too, that original brick. So this is a Camelback. It's a 2-story home. We've got a patio or off-street parking out back. Here's our kitchen. And a huge dining room table. All right, so here's one bedroom. That goes into a large bathroom. And on the other side there, what you were seeing was our laundry room. Here's that. So as you can tell, this one is owner occupied. So you're gonna have to look past some of the stuff that's in here and think about it furnished with your items, which is always a bit of a challenge, but it is good to have some furniture in here because you get a better sense of the space and just how large these rooms are with how much fits into them. So this could also be a bedroom down here. Right now it's situated as an office, which I like as well. Now let's take us up these gorgeous stairs. So upstairs we have some more bedrooms too. I think it's important to stress just how close we are to Magazine Street, which is a world-class commercial corridor with great restaurants, bars, and shops. Also, this is some of the highest elevation in the city. The Irish Channel did not flood during Katrina. So that was another bedroom there. Here is what I would say is our master. Huge bedroom. And then here is our huge walk-in closet. And I like how they have this too. That's great for folding clothes and just anything you might need a surface for in your master closet. Here is our master bathroom. Separate shower, wash closet, and huge soak-in tub. So this is what we've got, folks. 421 Harmony Street, offered at $569,000 with these gorgeous hardwood floors. It's been well renovated. It is in truly an exquisite location. I thank y'all for tuning in today. This is Jacob with Chris Smith's office, signing off.